bored.
I know, me too. It seems like forever since we've done an experiment. I miss science.
Me too. Ooh, a Funko.
Let's answer.
Yeah.
Hi, Candy! Hey guys, I have a science question for you. Tomorrow I'm competing in a slingshot competition. It's the finals, and this time they're giving us all the same slingshots, but letting us pick the size of the ball. I was wondering if you could help me find out which ball is the best.
Of course we can!
This looks like a job for
The new two lawyers! Alright, so we need to help Candy to win this big slingshot competition.
How do we do that, Doa?
Well, alright, we need to determine whether it is better for Candy to use a ball with a big mass or a small mass.
What's mass?
Mass is a tendency of an object to resist changes in state of motion.
Cool. How do we find the mass?
We have to do an experiment! Alright, so we got all the materials here, ready to go.
Wait, are you forgetting something?
Of course, science is cool, but only when you're doing it safely.
Alright, so what is the first thing you do in an experiment?
Gather the materials.
Exactly. We have with us a pink ball, a yellow ball, a metal ball, and a blue marble ball. Also, we have something to measure with, and we have a slingshot.
Great, so what do we do next?
Well, we have to make a hypothesis.
Exactly. I believe that the ball with the smallest mass will go furthest.
I agree. Alright, Doa is now going to mark a fixed point, and then I'm going to record the angle. Ready?
Feeling a lot better?
Okay. The angle is 46 degrees.
Okay, so we've shot all the balls twice to make sure we have accurate results.
And the winner is the blue ball.
So our hypothesis was right. It was the one with the smallest mass. That's awesome.
I know, right? Do you know why that is?
It's physics. No, okay, here it is. So the ball with a larger mass has more tendency to resist changes, right? So it doesn't go as far as the blue marble that had a smaller mass.
That's awesome. All right, so let's call Candy back and tell her the results, okay?
Hey guys!
Hi, Candy. We have the answer to your important physics question.
You should pick the ball with the smallest mass.
How do I know which ball weighs the least?
Easy. You pick them up and feel which one feels the lightest.
Awesome. Thanks guys!
No problem. Hey guys, it's Doa. Now it's time for math. So the energy that was stored in the string in the initial position was transferred into kinetic energy and potential energy that we see here. So the string energy is calculated by this formula, and that energy stored in the string plus the uj that comes from here equals to the ek at this point where the ball leaves the ground. The level. That equals to the EK plus the UG that's the height between the points A and B plus the UJA. Here we can easily see that those two cancel each other out. So we end up with US that we calculated here equals to 1 over 2 mv squared plus mgh. In conclusion, when the mass increases, in order to keep the energy the same, the velocity needs to decrease. That's why the ball with a bigger mass didn't go as far as the ball that had a smaller mass. Because we start with the same energy and we finish with the same energy, since it is an isolated system where the energy is kept constant. That was a great experiment!
I know, I'm not bored at all anymore.
If you want to do this lab at home, you totally can.
Just make sure you ask your parents for permission.
And that's all for today. But don't forget to join us next week for the next episode of Newton Lawyers in a special edition of Stuff Works. It's Doa
And Emma, I hope you all have an awesome day filled with physics and fun.
Don't forget, wherever you go, physics will always be there for you.